Okay, hey guys, I'm in my kitchen. So I just want to show you guys the wig before, how it came before I wash it. So this is the method out. It's a full lace, well, it's a wig. They say like it's pre-plucked frontal, This is how it looks. It got like a strap and a clip back here, and this is it. So I'm about to wash it. I'm getting it installed tomorrow. My hair is just in a bun. So I just want to show you guys how it looks before I wash it. I would never wear my hair, like just wear it like this. I feel like it looks like the curls look too fake in the sense. So yeah. So now I'm going to be washing the hair just using some conditioner and using a brush to just scrub it all in there, detangle it, and then dry it. I do this the day before and let it air dry before I get my hair done. Hey guys, so I just got my hair done yesterday. So I just wanted to show you guys like a quick little, just show you guys my hair. So I got, her name on Instagram is the Glam Bar. She customized and installed the frontal, the wig, everything. She does amazing. I'm so sad because this is the second time she's done it for me. She did it the first time when I had the purple hair. But she's about to have a baby, so she's going to be on maternity leave to October. And I know I wanted to get my hair done again right before college starts back in September. But I just wanted to get this done because I wanted to switch my hair up. And I'm getting my hair done again next week right before I go to Jamaica. But I just wanted to show you guys the hair. I'm going to insert pictures and everything. So far, I only had this hair in for like not even a day yet. So far, I really like the hair. Like, it's not getting too puffy. Like, of course, when it dries, like, it's going to get puffy. Like, it's dry right now. So I like how it looks when it's dry, and I like how it looks when it's wet. So far I don't have any complaints. It has not tangled, like it has not been really tangled. Obviously curly hair is gonna have some tangle, but it hasn't been like tangled and hair is all coming out. Like, that hasn't been the case. It's very soft, and as you've seen in the clips before, when I got it, I washed it, and yeah, so just in here is like water, some leave-in conditioner, and mousse. And she did my edges with the got to be free spray, the yellow bottle. So yeah.
Press, 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 press. Cardi don't need more press. Kill them all, put them hoes to rest. Walk in bulletproof vest. Please tell me who she gon' check. Murder scene, Cardi.